Okay, so everything's recording now. You can see our stream coming through on OBS as well as our stream coming through from the BTS camera. So if you have a look here, we are in a green screen room, but it's going through on 2 cameras. So if we switch cameras down, here we go. Yeah, so we can switch between all the cameras and also have live camera if you want to show the live camera movement. If you can move that around and make it funky. So we've got this virtual desk here. We can make anything we want. It can be a desert, it can be a spaceship. We can move forwards and backwards. We can tilt up and down. Currently, only one camera's got the motion capture working, but both cameras can. And it's done really well. That's a 4K capture. This is 1080p going through here. They're going through to 2 different computers, as you can see by the graphic I'll put up on screen. 2 different computers that are then being taken by another video capture device that Connor's switching through at the moment. And that is how we're getting the feed to you guys. And we can use that for YouTube streaming. We can just do recordings. And we can just do the one cut rather than having all different cameras going as the final output. But let's have a look at what we're actually doing and what it goes from one camera to the other. So if you come in here, you can see this is our camera feed here. If you want to go and sit back down. So this camera feed is going live. We can move it. It can have whatever we want. It's also capturing the mocap data with the live link, the OptiTrack system that we have here, which is going through Unreal in as live link data. And then this cable, if we follow this cable going all the way, oh yeah, if we have a look here, so this is the mocap data. You can see I can block it round. These are all the dots here. So this is the mesh data that we've created from all the different tracking points to make a geometric shape which is unique to each of them. They're actually the same shape, just mirrored. Software doesn't need to worry about that though, because on each of them they're completely individual. And this data here is going through specifically for that camera. So if I move that around, you can see it moves. It goes all over the place. It can go forwards, backwards, side to side, up and down. That is what the computer believes is the virtual camera. And so that's going through. We've got blue and silver. We've got 1 and 2. This is just static at the moment because we don't need it to be. But if we follow the wires, we have a 1080p capture for this display here. So what this is doing is it's taking this green screen footage here and it's live keying it out. If we go into this one, and if we go back into here, we can see it's working live and taking the green screen out, putting him in a live scene, which if we go to perspective, he's just a 2D plane in the virtual space. And we're doing the exact same thing on the other camera. It's going through here into the in here through a 4K video capture device. This one here, the CamLink system. So that's just going through into the computer. We're taking that through into Unreal, exactly the same as we did it before. We've got it coming in through the video here. If we find one that's working, we've got it working somewhere. Don't you worry. But it's going through. If we open up the composure layer, we can actually turn on so you can see the green screen layer. So if we turn this here, it will actually, no, this one. If I turn this on here, you can see the green here. So that's actually the live feed coming through. So that's exactly what it would be going through. And it's only because we key out the green screen that they look like they're in the virtual space. That's dope. That's how it's coming through. And then we send it out of these devices again into the final A10 Mini, which we switch through each thing that we need. And that's going through. We've got our audio that we're just using Logitech for the recording at the moment, but we can switch between both of them here, and we can see it on our big display there. That's the crazy system we've got working for this. It's been a lot of pain. Big thanks to Connor and everybody here, to be honest. Annabeth has helped. Kat has been there for us. Like, it's all of you guys. You've been a stand-in for how many hours at this point? As well as actually helping us with the technology. It's just, it is amazing. Thank you. It's going to be cool what we can do with it. And when I get my own custom environment made, because this is an Epic Games one that we're borrowing. But yeah, it's done really well. And let's pack the kit up and everybody can go home for Easter.